Hi, this is Ray with SGIA, and it's time for today's Tech Tip Tuesday. Hi, this is Ray from SGIA with today's Tech Tip. Before we get started, we're going to talk about measuring with our I1. But I did want to mention we've got this conference coming up, FP3 in Chicago. It's June 4th through 6th. So check that out when you get a chance. But for our Tech Tip today, when you're trying to take a measurement with an I1, we noticed from our boot camps sometimes people will get a little hung up. They move too quickly. So I've already calibrated the device, and I'm going to measure the first row of this control strip. This is a submission by one of the students to become certified in our color management program. And so what I want to do is click the button, count 1001, 1002, and then bring it right across nice and smooth. The nice thing is the X right, the blue light tells me it's time to go back. I'm measuring an M1, so I have to measure each strip twice. And then I get the green light that says everything's good, move on to the next row. So that's today's tech tip to help you have better measurements.